Great.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my husband's makeup. And our kitty's back there. It's looking beautiful. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm going to start off by doing the brows. The glue.
What? Just putting Elmer's glue on my brows. What? Why?
I want you to keep
My
gorgeous.
brows are beautiful. You don't need to change their shape, do you?
I want you to be a beautiful drag queen.
Okay, this is an interesting start. She's gluing my eyebrows.
Feel good?
No. How much glue are you putting on there?
All the glue.
Is it gonna come off?
Yeah, I do it every day.
What is it? What is the purpose of this?
So that's what I've been doing with the ends of my brows lately, because then you block them out, and then you can draw a new one.
What do you mean block them out?
Like, I'm gonna put concealer over the top, and then I'm gonna hide them, and then I'll draw you new brows on.
How? What is the glue for then?
And just to stick them down, or else the concealer like just gets stuck in the hairs. It's like my handle your face.
Look good.
I'll let them dry. Let me grab that concealer over there.
This one?
No, that's lipstick. Okay, now I'm gonna conceal the brows. Bye bye, brows. Brows who? I've never heard of them.
Is it supposed to look like this?
Don't. Trust the process.
You want to start over?
No. Okay, now we're gonna give you some.
It's like I have a blonde unibrow.
Close your eyes.
What was that?
Let's give you some moisture. I'm gonna conceal your under bags. So scary.
Please.
Get in there.
It's going up my nose. I look like a clown.
You like it? Get down, ma'am, sir. Women and children, get down. Don't look. Here, there's powder.
Don't have to breathe it in.
Now I need some dimension. Bring you back to life.
Yeah, I did look dead there for a minute.
Under your eyes, it still is horrifying. Do that thing again.
What's next?
Highlighter. I'm afraid to do the brows since I'm not doing them yet. Okay. You're not allowed to look. Look at that.
Damn.
You got some fleeky brows. Some brows are twins, some are sisters, some are cousins.
What are these ones?
I don't know. They're like ogres. They're just like a mess. Gaston! Alright.
Looking good.
Come on, let's say hi. Come on. It's a baby boy. It's a baby boy. Yeah.
Oh.
Come on, says, I'm so warm, Mama. You're a hard boy. Do some good kisses. Do some good kisses. God, don't blink.
At least I have an excuse.
Okay, look. Who
What?
is she?
Wow.
Who
I
is
thought you said it was a
she?
mess. Why is this one a baby? Go to that one.
I shall do it again.
Please.
Please!
I'm not gonna go out in public with you like this.
Okay.
Alright, I can live with that.
Alright, he asked for red shadow, just like me, the copycat. So we shall do it.
Well, what do you want to do?
No, I'm just kidding.
Maybe you could do blue to match my shirt.
Okay, that'd be cute. So beautiful.
Nice.
Who is she? Okay, look at that.
Nice. A little bit of shine at the top.
Okay, I need you to put your little eyelashes in here and curl them up. We're gonna go in with Lily Lashes Miami, which are very popular lashes, so you're just in for a treat.
Alright. Only the best.
Yeah. Faux mink, which we love.
Just a liner.
Yeah. This one's so horrible. But I don't want to use mine.
Why?
Looks so messed up. I'm so sorry.
That's fine.
Alright, now we shall try the lashes. Alright.
Is this your final answer?
Yes. Snatched.
I gotta take this quiz to figure out my drag queen name.
Pick a movie genre. Horror, romance, comedy, drama, action. Menu. What'd you choose?
Drama.
Pick a drink. Soda, milkshake, fireball, gin and tonic, juice, vodka.
Sody pop.
Pick a celebrity. Kim Kardashian, Beyonce, Selena Gomez, Kylie Jenner, Lady Gaga, Angelina Jolie.
I don't really like any of these.
Lady Gaga, you love her.
What? I was like one of my least favorite on the list. We'll go Angelina Jolie.
Pick a social media platform. Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Pinterest, Tumblr, Facebook.
Twitter.
Pick some shoes. Heels, sneakers, skate shoes, combat boots, snow boots, slippers.
Skate shoes.
As Vans. Pick a season 8 queen. Oh, you haven't seen that show. I don't know. Me either.
Okay, I'll just
choose
pick
anyone.
the coolest name.
Bob the drag queen, Naomi Smalls,
Bob the
Kimchi.
drag
Oh, I know
queen.
Kimchi. She was on a show I watched. Acid Betty, Thordy Thor, Derek Barry.
I like Bob the drag queen.
Pick a color. Red, pink, purple, blue, green, black.
So pick blue since that's the
Pick a
color
makeup
I don't
product.
want.
Brow pencil, lashes, lipstick, contour, blush, liner. Which one's your most fun that I put on you?
The lashes.
Pick an animal. Dog, cat, tiger, shark, bird, fish.
No turtle? I guess I'll go with dog.
Your name is Reese's
What?
Peanuts.
Wow. I didn't even try.
Wow.
I don't like
I
that.
feel like that was an answer for something else. Like that wasn't even like the right answer for
Yeah.
a quiz.
I like mix up the quiz answers.
Alright. Comment
Call
down
me
below
Call
who
me
you think did
Reese's.
better. Him or me at makeup. Beautiful Reese's. Reese's the peanut.
I need to put one of your wigs on to complete the look.
Oh my god. Behold. Reese's Peanuts.
Well.
Oh my gosh. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Bye-bye.
You're so funny.